Hi everyone, welcome back to Bling Girls channel. I'm so happy that you're all here to spend some time with me today. If this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Barbara. I upload faith, fashion, lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel. So if that sounds right up your alley, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you'll be notified every time that I upload. And let's get into today's video. Alrighty guys, today is a special video. And it is in collaboration with a brand called Dodotop. And they reached out to me to ask me if I would like a free bag in exchange for a video. And I'm like, okay, sure. But of course, I always do my research. So this is a special company, guys. And I'll tell you why. Because they have replicas of so many different high-end brands, including Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, YSL, Dior. They have wallets, they have perfume collections, they have clothing like jackets and coats, they have men collections, they have boot collections. And right now they're having a pre-Christmas sale for 2025. But guys, I'm going to have a special code for you guys linked down in the description box. So go and check them out. I'll have their website linked down there as well. So I am so excited, guys, to share this bag. I've always wanted a high-end bag, always. But this one's without the price tag. Now, I did my research. You guys know I'm a vintage girl, right? Boho chic. I just love vintage, right? And I went with a Chanel because Coco Chanel is very vintage, right? Yeah, she was. Anyway, she started her own designer company out of an orphanage. I mean, like, they taught her sewing there. And this is like back from 1910, okay, in the 1900s. And she started her own company, her own clothing designer company, from being taught how to sew on a sewing machine, or I don't know, they had sewing machines back then. I thought that was so cool. Entrepreneur, right? So that's where this bag inspiration came from, right? So I did my research. Now, this is the Cruise Collection 2025 replica, okay? And it's over $10,000 if it's a used bag. I didn't do my research for a brand new one, okay? So, let's get right into today's video, shall we? I am so happy about showing you this bag. Now, they told me to go on their website and pick whatever bag I want, and they told me to pick up to 5, and they'll send me the one that they think would be best for me. And they must have watched my channel because they know me all the way. Okay, so this is a beautiful magnetic box that you can keep your bag in, okay? And let's see. Okay, I didn't want to knock anything. Okay. So I did, of course. I'm like a little kid in a candy shop. I had to see it. Okay, now this is what you get. Now this came in a big brown box, but I know you guys, a lot of you appreciate that I don't make a lot of wrapping, crinkling, you know, noises with bags and everything. So, okay. So this is how it looks inside. So they put plastic down, you know, to protect it during shipment. And these are the cute little cards that they send you. I'm sorry about that. I had to keep them in the bag, though. I didn't want them to get ruined. And this says Chanel, and it has their logo. It's like a really beautiful card that is sent. Isn't that pretty? It's like a fall leaf. Looks like a maple leaf, and it says Chanel on it. And this was Coco Chanel. Okay. Isn't that awesome? I have a hat just like that. Do you remember that haul that I shared, that hat I was wearing? Oh, yes, girl. And the little bows. Oh, my gosh. I love it. Here she is again. And she's on a laptop. So modern. Oh my gosh, come on. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh, I am going to keep these cards. And this is what it says. Dear Madam, thank you for coming to Chanel Boutique to buy our products. Miss Coco Chanel has a famous saying, fashion is changeable, but style lasts forever. Isn't that so true? You know, like trends come and go, right? But the way that you want to dress will last forever. It will make a statement, right? Like a stamp on someone. We will share our latest innovative designs with you from time to time and offer you our best service. For more information on Chanel fashion products, please visit chanel.com. Looking forward to your comment again. And it's General Manager of Quality Department, Charlotte Jozan. And that's what that looks like. Okay. Not really. Oh, it's the Chanel logo and yeah. Okay. And this one's beautiful. Look at this one. Isn't that pretty? And then it has a beautiful leaf in the back. Love that. She definitely was a fashion diva. Okay. Now for the bag. Let me put this down here. So I have some room here and I'm going to show you the bag. Okay. You know what? Before I show you the bag, let me just tell you a little bit more about, I do have my iPad here, okay? Just about the company a little bit, okay? Let's see. And this is dodotop.ru, okay? To wait for it to load. Of course I do. Okay. So how's everybody's day going so far? Mine is going amazing. Okay. Well, you know what? Okay, so they have like their shopping policies, how to order, and their shipping information. They're outside Los Angeles, California. Okay. Welcome to Dodotop, your trusted destination for high-quality luxury replicas since 2015. For over 10 years, we've been committed to providing premium craftsmanship, reliable service, and competitive prices to our valued customers around the world. Wow, it's global. At Dodotop, we proudly operate our own manufacturing factory, giving us full control over every stage of production, from material selection to final assembly. This allows us to ensure each product meets our highest standards before it reaches you. We use genuine leather. Guys, I don't remember the last time I owned a real leather bag. I really don't. Durable hardware, which is nice, and precise craftsmanship to deliver products that mirror original designer pieces in every detail. And I will say, when I looked up the original one that I'm about to show you today, it looks exactly the same with the hardware. The brown color might be a little different, but other than that, our story began with a deep passion for designer handbags and a simple goal to make luxury accessible to everyone. That's awesome, because I've always wanted a high-end bag, but wow, $10,000, that's a lot of money. We understand that authentic designer bags often come with high prices, while many replicas on the market lack true quality. That's why we're dedicated to creating mirror quality replicas that look, feel, and last just like the originals. That's cool. Each piece is carefully crafted by our skilled artisans who study authentic designs to replicate every element with precision, from stitching and hardware to texture and shape. Thanks to this commitment, Dodotop has built a global community. That means around the world, guys. Everyone from around the world can order from them, of loyal customers who trust us for top quality products and honest service. If this is your first time visiting us, welcome to the Dodotop family. Oh, that's sweet. Browse our website, explore our latest collections, and discover luxury that's within reach. Craft it with care, passion, and expertise. Thank you for your continued trust and support. Together we'll keep redefining what affordable luxury truly means. Dodotop team, seller Maggie. Thank you, Maggie, so much for sending me this beautiful bag. Alrighty, this is $380, not $10,000. Okay, $380. Oh my gosh. Okay, compared to $10,000. So it comes in this beautiful bag. Okay, so it really keeps it nice. Okay, I can't wait to display this in my studio. Of course, I'm going to use it. I thought it was really big at first, but it's not. It's now, I would consider this bag a medium to large. Okay, so it's not small, it's not large. Okay, and it's like medium to large, but it's really nice. So I didn't take nothing apart on it. We're going to do all of this on here today. Isn't this gorgeous? And this is their tote one, I believe. I don't want to, give you the wrong information. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, I am sorry. The dogs were barking. I know this is life. Okay, so get a good look at this. Okay, it is from their cruise collection. Isn't that beautiful? I love the two-tone. It's like a deep chocolate brown, which is so on trend right now. Okay, so their measurements for this bag. Okay, first of all, it's called the Chanel 25C bag. It's dark brown, and in centimeters, it's 36 by 24 by 12 centimeters. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, now I converted it for you guys. It's 14.2 inches by 9.4 inches by 4.7 inches. Okay, so it's like a medium to a large bag. Okay, really beautiful. Alrighty, let's go back to this bag. Okay, so it's $380. Okay, and it's shipping by FedEx DHL. It takes 8 to 10 days for shipping. All of their products include the original box card, dust bag, and receipt, and it is in stock now. Okay, so that's the detail on it. And I love my iPad. And that's what the bag looks like. Okay, alrighty. So let's do a little treasure hunting with this now. Okay, so it comes really beautifully wrapped. So you just rip that apart, and it comes right off. I couldn't wait to do this. But I wanted to do it with you guys on here. Oh my gosh, the leather is so, wow. And I didn't know that this is what that handle looks like. Look at that. That's so nice, so that it's not going to hurt your, your hand when you're carrying it. That is neat. Absolutely neat. Okay, let me take off this one. We're getting deliveries sent to our home, so food deliveries and stuff. Okay, so this is faux leather. Not faux, I'm sorry. This is real leather. This is real leather, okay? And it has like that leather intertwined with gold chain. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get into this bag. So I love this little toggle thing. So you're just gonna turn it like that, vertical, and it opens. Look at the logo. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And look at this. They even have this on here. I have to cut this. Hold on. I didn't want to do any of this until I showed it to you guys. So there we go. I have scissors down here now. Okay. They put this in here. This is to form the bag, so the bag doesn't lose its shape during shipping. And let's see, does it has a little card holder here on the back on the back wall. And on this side, it has a back zip compartment, which is really big. Look at that. Okay. Oh my gosh, the leather smells so good. So good. And this is just what it looks like inside. Plenty of space. Plenty of space. So if you go to school, like college or something like that, this is so beautiful. Look at how it just stays holding its shape too. Oh my gosh, I am so blessed that Maggie from Dodotop asked me to pick one of their bags. Oh my gosh, this is so good. So pretty. And I love this handle here. Oh, it's so pretty. So nice. And $380. $380. Not 10 grand. All right. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm just going to show you how I decided to style this bag today. Okay. I'm just casual gal today. Just jeans and a cute little hoodie, cashmere-like sweater. And I would throw on like a pair of sneakers if I'm going to go and run errands. I would even use this with workout clothes. I mean, my hair is just up in a scrunchie. Like, this can definitely be dressed up as well, but I chose to do casual because that's exactly how this girl will rock and do it. Okay, and I think this is so, so pretty. Isn't that good? So, so nice. And I think it's perfect for my frame. I'm a medium frame. So, so good. Alrighty, guys. I hope you enjoyed me showing you this beautiful tote, and I'm hoping I get more from this company to share with you. I would just say with cleaning, you know, just, you know, wipe it off. You know, you don't want to do water or anything on this because it is real leather. But yeah, I am just so blessed to have this supple, beautiful, and it's not rough leather. It's very, very beautiful, very supple. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Okay, I don't care if these things are not in style anymore. You guys know I love vintage, right? So I'm just going to show you how I would wear this, okay? Just a cute little scarf, right? And a cute little fluffy boot maybe. And yes, yes, yes. Oh, this is so good. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. And thank you, Maggie from Dodotop, for sending me this gorgeous, gorgeous bag my way. Guys, don't forget to check them out. I'm going to have all their information linked down in the description box, as well as pinned in the comments. Don't forget to use my code at checkout so you can save even more. This bag is so worth it and more. Thank you so much. Guys, remember, keep looking up, because God has all the answers, and make it a great day, friends. And if life throws you morsels, make some hot cocoa. See you next time. Bye.